Some days are more than just dates on a calendar. They carry memories, pain, and the stories of people who changed the world. Just July 10 is one of such day. Between 2005 and 2025, this very date saw the passing of some amazing stars, actors, comedians, writers. They brought us joy, wisdom, and unforgettable moments. Today we honor five celebrities who left us on July 10. Their lives may have ended, but their legacies continue through the movies we watch, the books we read, and the laughter we still hear. A.J. Quinnell. Let's begin with a man who wrote about pain, vengeance, and redemption. His real name was Philip Nicholson, but he used a pen name to keep his identity low profile. He was never after fame, only stories. Stories that made your heart beat faster. His most famous book was Man on Fire, the powerful tale of a bodyguard protecting a little girl. It was more than a thriller, it was a story about love, loss, and revenge. The book became a Hollywood blockbuster, with Denzel Washington playing the lead role. Quinnell lived on the peaceful islands of Gozo in Malta. Far from the noise of cities, he quietly created worlds full of choice and courage. He passed away on July 10, 2005 at the age of 65. His death may have gone unnoticed by many, but his words continue to burn with life, and his characters, especially Crazy, will never die. Freddie Soto. In that same years, the same day, another rising star faded away. Freddie Soto was one of the most loved Mexican-American comedians of his time. His comedy came from real life, the small moments in a Latino family, the daily challenges of growing up between two cultures. He performed in clubs across the country and made people laugh till they cried. His HBO special and appearance on The Tonight Show won hearts everywhere. People connected with Freddie because he was honest, he was real, he talked about his parents, school, food, work, and he made every single moment hilarious. But sadly, on July 10, 2005, Freddie died from an accidental overdose. He was just 35 years old. He had so much left to give, so many more stories to tell, and yet, even in his short life, he made people laugh, and laughter is a gift that never fades. Roger Rees. Our third tribute also takes us back to 2005, a year of deep loss. Roger Rees was a British actor, a man of stage and screen grace and power. He began his journey in theatre and became famous with his role as Nicholas Nickleby, a performance that won him the Tony Award for Best Actor. He later acted in Cheers, The West Wing, and many other shows that brought him recognition around the world. His presence was quiet yet strong, his voice was soft yet commanding. Roger did not just act, he thought, directed, and inspired a generation of actors. He died on July 10, 2005 after a battle with brain cancer. It was 31 years old. In his passing, the world lost a teacher, a performer, and gentleman, but his performance is still live, on stage, on film, and in the hearts of those who watched him. Omar Sharif. 10 years later, in 2015, the cinema world stood still. It was the day we lost one of the most elegant stars in history, Omar Sharif. Born in Egypt, Omar was more than an actor. He was an icon. With piercing eyes and timeless charm, he became famous in Lawrence of Arabia, a film that changed cinema forever. Later, he gave us the unforgettable performance in Dr. Zhivago, A Tale of Love and War. But Omar Sharif was not just a star of the East or West, he was both. He spoke several languages, acted in many countries, and became a symbol of global cultures. He was also a top-level bridge player and wrote books on the game. In his later years, he suffered from Alzheimer's, but even then, his name was spoken with love, respect, and nostalgia. He died of heart attack on July 10, 2015 at the age of 83. Omar Sharif was not just a man, he was an era, And even today, when we hear his name, we think of class, passion, and greatness. Deniz Nickerson. Finally, we remember someone who gave color to our childhood quite literally. Deniz was a child actress who played Violet in the classic movie Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. She was the girl who chewed the forbidden gum and turned into a giant blueberry. That scenes became a legendary moment in children's cinema. Deniz also acted in TV shows like Dark Shadows and The Electric Company. She was bright, bold, and unforgettable. Later in life, she chose to step away from fame and lived a quiet, simple life, but her fans never forgot her. She suffered a severe stroke and died on July 10, 2019, at the age of 62. Deniz Nickerson's name may be small in Hollywood history, but her role made millions smiles, and that a legacy to be proud of. 5 stars, 5 voices, all gone on the same date, July 10. From the wisdom of writers to the laughter of comedians, from stage legends to child stars, they are all parts of our memories now. Let us not forget them. Let us celebrate the light they gave us, because even when a star dies, its light continues to shine.